guys, how are you all? So welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to be showing you something which I have recently bought, and all of this is from Amazon. This is going to be a makeup, skincare and hair care kind of a haul. I hope you guys are going to like it, so please stay tuned till the end and we are quickly going to be diving into the video. So guys, the first thing which I have bought myself is going to be a conditioner, and this is Beauty and Planet Volume and Bounty conditioner. Now I have already gotten a shampoo from the same brand and it is working out pretty great for me, so I thought that I'm gonna get a conditioner as well, and I have used it thrice already and it has really worked great for my hair. And especially in the monsoon when there is a lot of humidity in the air, it comes to my rescue because this is something which helps in removing the frizz. So now we are gonna be moving on to the next product. So guys, in my last video I was raving about Gillette products, and this time I have gotten myself another refills. Now the previous one I got were on little expensive side, so I thought that I'm gonna try these again. I have already used them in the past, and this one is Glide Strip with aloe vera extract. This is little bit on the cheaper side, so I have gotten 2 of these refills as well, and one single pack has 2 razor. So yeah, this is the next thing which I have bought. If you want to buy a razor for yourself, this is 100% recommended to go for because it helps in removing your hair and gives you salon-like finish at home. Next up is going to be something pretty boring maybe, but I have gotten myself some bars, and these are bathing bars from meadowmix. Now I love meadowmix bars and they make you smell so amazing. So the variant I have used in the past was the green one, which we all must have. So I thought online there were so many variants available, so I went for this one. This is the sandalwood one and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. It makes you feel, whenever you come out of shower, it makes you feel like you have applied raw sandalwood. And yes, I love everything which is made up of natural ingredients. Now next up guys, I am gonna be showing you a makeup product. Now this is gonna be this Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara, and I don't know guys why these have such great reviews. I did not like it. I have been trying a lot of different mascaras just to find that perfect mascara, and apart from L'Oreal Lash Paradise, I haven't liked anything more than that. But it is very difficult to remove that mascara, so I feel like that I wanted to go for a variant which wouldn't have been waterproof, but I guess the company doesn't have it. But this works just fine. If you want to go for this, you can, but I would highly recommend you guys to go for L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. The next product is going to be this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Conceal, and this is a corrector guys. This is an orange corrector. I have little bit of dark circles and I thought that I'm gonna try this out, and it really works great. You just have to apply a little bit and it cancels out the darkness. So if you need corrector for your under eyes, you can definitely go for this, and LA Girl concealers are the best in the market. And next up guys, I have gotten myself these Panty liners which are infused with aloe vera, and these are from Safe. Now these are extra large and I loved them because yes, I have already used like 3-4 of them, and yes, it keeps you dry the entire day. They are lengthy enough and it doesn't move from its place, which is the thing I always keep looking for whenever I buy some Panty liners. So this is something you can definitely go for. Highly recommended. In a pack for $240, and there are some amazing deals on Amazon, so do not forget to check them out. So for $240 you get 50 liners, which is absolutely great. So guys, the next product which I have got for my hair is this BRILLARE range for dandruff control. It has a shampoo, a conditioner and also some oil shots. So I have not used it yet because this is not winters yet and I do not have dandruff right now. But my brother has been using it and he says that it works wonderfully. Now this is something which doesn't have any parabens, it doesn't have any color, formaldehyde, mineral oil, petroleum wax or they are also, these products are cruelty free and made in India. So I definitely wanted to get my hands on these one, and the results are amazing. This is something my brother has told me because he's someone who has flaky scalp. So it definitely works, guys. And support Indian brands. Just go and check them out for yourself. It doesn't have any harmful chemicals. Also, guys, this time I wanted to try out luxury skincare, so I went for Forest Essential, and this is not at all disappointing. So I bought this little package which has a shower wash and body milk, and this is in the flavor Indian Rose Absolute, and I loved it. I have used it, and guys, this is something I totally loved, and it smells amazing. It feels like you have applied like real roses on your skin. This is for $7.25, and there are different variants available, so you can buy any of the variant you like. So I went for this rose one, and this has not disappointed me at all. It makes you smell absolutely amazing. So yeah, you can definitely give this one a try. So guys, that was for the body, and for my face and the luxurious skincare, I have gotten myself this package from Kama Ayurveda. Now this has face and body mist, which is pure rose water. The other one is rose jasmine face cleanser. There are two creams, which is Ayurvedic face cream, which is hydrating for the daytime, and also there is a cream for nighttime, and also there is a very little package which looks like this, and this is brightening face pack, and I have used it for myself. And for the creams, I must say for this season of monsoon they're not working for me, so I haven't been trying them out lately. But the cleanser and the rose water has been working greatly. I have not tried this pack yet, but I'm supposing that this is gonna be great. So guys, this is not the first time that I have used Kama Ayurveda. I have used it in the past, and these products are completely amazing. I am satisfied with everything which I have bought. I have gotten them at an amazing deal, and I have made sure that I have given all the products link in the description box below. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed the haul, and I am gonna bring so much more hauls to you in the future, and stay tuned for them. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.